What's up, everybody? Fisher here. Back for another video. Now, I know I haven't been uploading, but see, guys, I can't upload for a little while, okay? I'll try and upload more, but see, today you guys see some computer parts and a computer tower. And some lights, because I just got those a few minutes ago for $5 in my local Walmart. Now, guys, if you guys haven't already guessed, we're going to be creating I don't know what that was, but we're going to be creating a computer tower. Custom made. I don't know if I want to put those lights on or not. No. I know I'll put them on my monitor stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm going to have to edit this video because I don't want to show anything of this. At the end of the video, I'll talk to you guys about how I do this. I have two options here, though. I can either A, put everything right here in that, or I could use some of that and some of that, combine them. Alright, guys, see you guys soon. Alright, guys, so I just open this up and look at the inside here. You got the fan. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, this was left out in the weather during rain, but it doesn't even look like it got wet. I mean, seriously, it's got two fans. I got this stuff out of a laptop. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, first off, here's the hard drive. That's giant. This is a Windows Vista Basic, but I can upgrade it to a Windows. Or not really. This isn't Basic. This is a Home Basic, and I can upgrade it to a Windows 7 Home Premium. I got the CD right over there somewhere. But this is no, that's pretty. I don't even know what's on that, to be honest. So I can't really do much with one hand. So I'll see what I can do. See you guys in a few minutes. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I think I'm just gonna leave all this in here. And I mean, I took out the battery and put in the battery that was in that one. But I don't think that one's good enough for this one. Because look at the fan. That's the big problem. I'm afraid that this thing would overheat. Alright, guys. I'm sorry about before the thing cut out. You know. But, guys, I finished. And, you know, let's go see what I'm finish it. Bye, guys.